Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the essentials: one storage chest, a key, and any material tokens you plan to store. Open inventory now and sort by category so storage slots appear without delay. This saves clicks. Next, move stackable items into a hotbar slot. You'll transfer them faster that way. It reduces drag-and-drop mistakes. Once items are visible, approach the storage object and face it directly so interaction prompts appear, and then initiate the deposit action to begin the process. You now perform the main transfer and organize routine. Use Quick Transfer Shift-Click to move full stacks in one action. This saves time and keeps weight down. After deposits, create folders or tags inside the chest to separate half stacks from full stacks, because grouping prevents duplication confusion later. Make sure to lock rare items using the key binding or lock toggle. This avoids accidental relocation. While organizing, scan for duplicates and compress similar resources so retrieval is predictable and efficient. Finish by verifying counts. Open the chest and cross-check totals versus your inventory so nothing disappeared. Once verified, enable auto-sort rules if the game supports them. This keeps new items placed correctly without manual effort. If you need to retrieve something, use the search filter or tag shortcuts for speed. If items seem missing, stop and check nearby temporary containers, recent transfer logs, or the undo transfer function. Often you'll find a misclick or misplaced stack rather than a bug. Address that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.